unlike what they're dealing with there, I mean, it's gorgeous here.
It is gorgeous here, and we're seeing a high pressure system dominate in the upper levels of the atmosphere, bringing us those dry conditions as well as lots of sunshine. But I do want to talk about the Northeast real quick because we're still seeing blizzard conditions being persistent until around 10 p.m. tonight up and along the I-95 corridor. That stretches from Connecticut all the way up into Maine in the orange shaded region. So more snowfall will be felt for some of these folks. I want to get you into some of the details on what we're seeing and why we're seeing it. On the satellite radar data, you can actually see what was bomb cyclone. That's right, a bomb cyclone. It drops 24 millibars within a 24-hour time period. It rapidly intensified, and there's that low pressure system right there. It'll continue to move up to the north and to the east over the next several hours. It's a quick moving system now, continuing to dump more heavy snowfall into the Cape, stretching up along the I-95 corridor. So of course we'll continue to see more snowfall there, and it's something we're keeping an eye out for as that nor'easter moves up to the north and to the east. Now here across the plains and North Texas as well as the Gulf, we are dry, and here across the southwestern areas, high pressure system dominating in the upper levels of the atmosphere. You can actually see all the moisture move up and around that ridge of high pressure. It's making us dry across the region, and we also have a high pressure system dominating at the surface as well, just keeping us nice, dry, mild weather, and it's gorgeous outside as we speak. In fact, I want to show you a view. It's absolutely phenomenal weather and walking weather if you want to walk maybe after work or get out there with the pup. Right now 59 degrees is where we're sitting at. Dew point temperatures at 16. Very dry air mass will encompass the region over the next 72 hours to even extend as we move into this weekend. Easterly wind around 6 miles per hour, and that's what we'll continue to see as we move through the rest of the night tonight. The sun will set at about 6:20, and once it does, we'll lose that heat and radiation, which means temperatures will dip back into the 50s very quickly and into the 40s as we move into that 9 to 10 p.m. hour tonight. Now let's talk about the winds. They will get a little bit gusty coming from the south-southwest as we move into the day tomorrow. Wind gusts into the afternoon anywhere from around 30 to 35 miles per hour. So if it's trash day, maybe grab those trash cans and bring them indoors. It will be a bit gusty, but that combined with extremely low relative humidity levels is going to lead to high fire danger, especially for northwestern counties. Again, when we see very dry conditions, warmer than average temperatures, they'll be topping out in the middle 70s. That's what leads to high fire danger. Now let's talk about our next weather maker. We have a cold frontal system that'll be swinging through by midweek, and we're talking about Thursday. A little bit of a cool down will be felt, 75 degrees, but before that, Wednesday, we're 82 degrees. Regardless, though, it looks like a pretty pleasant forecast ahead, guys.